Alright, hello folks, I'm Michael Kelly, corporate chef with Thermalrite here. What we're showing today is sous vide cooking, which is a European idea of vacuum sealing a product, putting it into a blast chiller to rapidly bring it down in temperature. Then you retherm the food in a hot water bath. What you end up with is a very consistent product. You're able to save a lot of labor hours and you end up saving food cost based off low waste. So what I'm going to show you guys here today is I have some nice fresh salmon fillets that we're going to put into our sous vide bags. We're going to take a nice pat of fresh butter and a sprig of fresh dill. So we'll bring it over to our vacuum sealer. And what we're doing here is what is called a soft seal. When you're vacuum sealing, you can do anything from a hard to a soft seal. And what that entails is the amount of oxygen that is left in the bag and the amount of oxygen that is removed. When you have a delicate product, such as any kind of produce, a fresh fish, you want to do a softer seal. So you end up getting about 84 to 89% of the oxygen out of the bag. When you do a firmer product, you know, a nice thick steak, say, or potatoes, something that doesn't have to. When you're doing a hard seal and you have a firmer product, you can get up to 99% of the oxygen out, and you get a nice firm seal without jeopardizing the product. So what we have here is a nice vacuum sealed fresh salmon fillet with your seasonings in it, ready to go. So now what you can do is you have your prep done, you have all your portions done for the day. You lay them out, you can go right into a blast chiller. You're going to set your program. You want to get it down to 32 degrees. And you start your program. So as this is working, your prep crew, your kitchen crew, your line cooks can move on to the next thing on their prep list. While this is chilling down, they can do more menu items and have them ready so that when your dinner rush, your lunch rush, whatever you have, you're not scrambling. You don't have a guy manning each station having to do 15 different things. You can have half your menu, 2/3 of your menu in a sous vide water bath holding, and your prep cooks are free to do other things. So when they get an order, open the bag, garnish their plate, it's out the door. You can have one guy handle your entire menu in a kitchen instead of having a fully staffed line.